Dear students, today we are going to start chapter number 11, direct and inverse variation. In this chapter we have two types of variation. First is the direct variation. Its definition is two quantities are said to be directly vary if the increase in one quantity result in the increase or decrease in the other quantity. Means if you see that this is an example of number of books and their cost. So for buying 4 books, if we have to pay 48 rupees, then for 6 books we have to pay 72 books. And similarly we can see that the number of books are increasing and hence the cost is also increasing. So this is called the direct variation. And this is the definition for inverse variation. Two quantities are said to vary inversely or directly if the increase or decrease in one quantity results in the decrease or increase in the other quantity. Means in inverse variation, if one quantity increases then the other decreases, and if first decreases then the second should increase. This is the inverse variation rule. So when there is a direct variation case, then we have to use this rule: x1 upon x2 equals to y1 upon y2, and then we cross multiply it. Okay. And in inverse variation we have to multiply the corresponding values. Like in this example you can see that the first value of x and the first value of y are multiplied here, and this one x1 y1 equals to the second value of x and the second value of y are multiplied, that is x2 into y2. Okay, so keeping this in mind we have to do these two exercises. Okay, so first we will do exercise 11.1. It's first question. In this first question we can see that the instruction is given: identify in which of the following tables do the variables x and y vary directly. So let us start how to check whether this table varies directly or not. So according to the rule, we have to check it for directly variation. So we have to put it as it is 105, it is 10.5 upon 7 equals to 13.5 upon 9 equals to 18 upon 12 and equals to 22.5 upon 15. So to remove this decimal we have to multiply it up and down by 10. Upon 10. Similarly here also and here also. So on multiplying it by 10 we get here 105, and below we get 70. Here we get this 13.5 and multiplied to 10 gives you 135. So decimal is removed and we have here 90 in denominator, and 18 upon 12 is as it is, and here multiplying 22.5 by 10 we get 225, and 15 tens is 15. Now we'll start deducting them. So 5 2 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 14 ja, and 7 3 ja, 7 2 ja. We have here 3 upon 2. Similarly here 5 2 ja 10, 5 7 ja 35, and 5 1 ja 5, 5 8 ja is 40, and 9 3 ja 9 2 ja. So we have here 3 upon 2 again. For this we have 6 3 ja 18, 6 2 ja 12. This is again 3 upon 2, and for this 5 4 is 20, 5 5 is 25, 5 3 is 15, and okay, sorry, this is 150. Okay, so 0, and now 15 3 is 45, 15 2 is 30. So again we have 3 upon 2. So because all the results are same when reduced it to lowest terms, so this table vary directly. Now in question number 2, if the variables vary directly, find the missing values. So I am going to do third part for you. X and Y 4, then this is missing, and here the first, second, and third value of Y is missing, and fourth value is also missing. Here the second value of X is missing. So when second value of X is missing, you can write here X2. When first, second, and third value of Y is missing, you can write here 3 and Y4. Okay, so this first combination is given, so we will solve it case wise. Case first, 4 upon 30 equals to x2 upon 75. Then we'll cross multiply it. 30 into x2 gives you x2 into 30, and 4 into 75. Then x2 is equal to 4 into 75, and this 30 comes down. 15 2 is 30, 15 5 is 75, 2 1s 2 2s, so 2 5 is 10. So the value for x2 is 10. Case 2 is for y3. So we can use this 4 upon 30 equals to 5 upon y3. So it is 4 into, on multiplying this we got 4 into y3 equals to 30 into 5. So y3 equals to 30 into 5 upon 4. 2 2s are 2 15s are, and 15 5 is 75 upon 2. So on dividing this, you get 2 3 is 6 and 2 7 is 14.5, 37.5, and last is the case 3. You can find it using the same combination. 4 upon 30 equals to 9 upon fourth value of y, y4. So this is 4 into y4 equals to 30 into 9. So y4 equals to 30 into 9, and this 4 comes down. 2 2s are 2 15s are 15 9s are 135 upon 2, and you get for this 2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 14.5. This is 67.5. You have to do these two questions first and next in next video. Thank you.